G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In this video here today, I'm going to show you my budget exhaust that I've just chucked on the Tenere, showing you exactly what I've done in case you want to save yourself some money with your exhaust setup. So as soon as I purchased the Tenere, I knew straight away that I wanted to chuck on a different exhaust. If you have heard of Tenere before, you'll know that the stock exhaust doesn't sound too bad, but the look of it in my opinion is pretty ugly. So I wanted to change that and make the bike look a bit nicer, while also losing some weight in the process. After listening to some YouTube videos of exhaust sounds for the Tenere, I had my heart set on the Akrapovic exhaust. In my opinion, it sounded the best out of all the others, and it didn't look too bad as well. But once I went and looked one up online to purchase and seen the price, I kind of had second thoughts. Here in Australia, just for the slip-on Akrapovic, it was around $1,200, $1,300 for one. For me personally, that just seems like a lot of money to spend on something that's basically just there to change the exhaust note of the bike. So I ruled this one out pretty quickly. So this is what led me to do some research and find a cheap exhaust that didn't look too bad that I could chuck on the Tenere. So this is the exhaust that I used. Pause the video here if you want to get the full details here so you can search it yourself, but I got it from Amazon. I also wanted a bit of a point of difference on the exhaust and to cover up the chrome that would be on it, so I found these exhaust protector covers, which I also got from Amazon, and I ordered 2 of those. So in total I'd spent just under $300 for everything that I needed. Obviously the first thing I needed to do was remove the old exhaust, a pretty quick and easy process that one. So once I'd done a bit of a test fit of the new exhaust and its mid pipe, I didn't quite like the heat shield that came on the mid pipe. It was too much chrome for my liking, so I took it off and gave it a quick coat of paint for a bit of point of difference again. I also painted the strap that mounts to the bike and holds the exhaust in place, painting this black as well, just to kind of keep the black theme of the whole bike going. I did have to do a little bit of grinding to get the mid pipe to fit properly to the existing exhaust. Just the clip that holds them together didn't quite fit up properly, so I just had to do a little bit of trimming there to make it work. I haven't detailed it here, but if you're pretty good with the tools, you'll be able to figure this one out pretty easy. So from here it was a pretty quick process to finish off the install. I just waited for the paint to dry on the heat shield and the mounting strap before fitting those up with the exhaust, and then the final thing I had to do was fit the protective covers with the zip ties that came with it, just to cover up the chrome of that exhaust. Well, here we are everyone, first ride out on the bike with the new exhaust, and 5 minutes in, I'm liking it. Got the baffle out and it's pretty loud. I don't know how well you can hear it through the mic here, but and the helmet, but it is loud. I'll open it up here. Hopefully you can hear that a little bit, but it sounds great. I love it. It's so good. I do have the baffle at home. I've kept it because I'm not sure how it would go on a long ride, but well, I wasn't sure, but I feel like this would be okay. Doing 80 now and the wind noise is louder, if not just as loud as the exhaust anyway, so I don't think it'll be a problem. Oh, it sounds good on the down changes. I don't think it'll be an issue. Plus, I normally wear earplugs on the longer rides. Don't have any earplugs in right now. Sound isn't bothering me too much, so I think if the earplugs in, we should be good to go. So I can't really compare it to any other brands for the Tenere of exhaust with the sound and how loud it is and stuff, but hey, for 250 bucks, I'm not complaining. It looks alright, in my opinion anyway, and sounds just as good. So initial thoughts here, I'm pretty happy. she sounds so sweet. I'm in love. So good. But anyway guys, that's enough from me. Gonna head home and enjoy this exhaust a little bit more. But thanks for watching. Give me a like if you liked the video, and hit that subscribe button too guys. I've got plenty more videos coming. I got a big trip down south planned in the next few weeks, so if you're interested in that, hit subscribe and you'll see that one when it comes out. Thanks again guys. Catch you in the next one.